Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous looking marble orange and chocolate loaf cake. Okay, so let's start. All the exact measurements will be in the description below. For the ingredients, we are going to need eggs, butter, orange, sugar, vanilla sugar, flour, cocoa powder, milk, baking powder and chocolate that we are going to melt later. We will also need some more ingredients for the chocolate sauce that I will show you later on in the video. In my bowl I have 4 eggs. To that add butter, sugar and vanilla sugar. Whisk it with an electric hand mixer. This is the consistency that you should get, a nice creamy mixture. To my flour, I already added a pinch of salt and I will now add baking powder. Add half of the flour to the mixture and mix it with a spatula. Add half of the milk so you could mix it easier. Add rest of the flour. Add the remaining milk. Keep mixing it with a spatula until it's lump-free. I switch back to my electric hand mixer so I get a nice smooth finish. Now that our mixture is done, I will place 1/2 in another bowl. To that I will grate full zest of an orange. To the other half I will add melted chocolate and the cocoa powder. I already halved my mixture and just starting to zest my orange. While I do that, I preheated my oven to 170 degrees. We will of course use the rest of the oranges at the end for decoration and to make our syrup. Mix it together. To the other half of the mixture, let's add cocoa powder and the melted chocolate. This melted chocolate is milk chocolate, but for the chocolate sauce at the end, I will use dark chocolate. Mix it until smooth and lump-free. Here we have our loaf tin. I already spreaded some butter and flour at the bottom so our cake won't stick. Let's start adding our plain mixture to the bottom, then the chocolate one. Now the plain one again, and we continue doing this until both of our mixtures are finished. We finished both of the mixtures and this is how it looks. Now it's time to bake it in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. While our cake is baking in the oven, let's make our syrup. Start by squeezing the juice of the remaining 2 oranges and pour this in your pan that already has some sugar and a tiny bit of water in it. Bring this to a boil on medium heat. Once our cake is done and still hot, we will pour this syrup on top, but I will of course show you that. Okay, so our cake has come out of the oven. I placed a plate on top of it and I turned it upside down and now going to take the tin off. Let's poke holes on the cake, the more the better. Pour syrup on top that we made earlier and let it cool down. And for the last step, let's make the chocolate sauce. In a bowl, I have dark chocolate. To that, add boiled double cream and let the chocolate melt. Stir until smooth. Pour the melted chocolate on top of your cake. Decorate it as you wish. I used whole walnuts and orange zest. I couldn't even wait until it cooled down properly. I just really had to cut a slice, and I can't even tell you how delicious this is. It is really a mouth-watering, beautifully made loaf cake, so moist from the syrup and so orangey and chocolatey. It is really just beautiful. And here is our final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post. See you guys in my next one. Bye.